On this episode, we are degreasing a 1985 Bertone X19 engine compartment. So our friends over at Super Clean sent us some demo stuff. I hosed it down a minute ago. There's like half a bottle left. I acquired this car back in April while I was still working on the Fiatsco. So now I have two. Of course, you know, it's been sitting in the garage since 2014. It's been sitting in the garage for about 10 years. So the fuel filter over there says 42114. Texas registration's been out for 10 years. It's been sitting for a while. He thinks the clutch fork broke. It won't. You cannot manipulate the gears with the clutch pushed in. But I've already borrowed a starter off this car. I borrowed an oil cap off this car. And I'm probably not done borrowing stuff, so every time I come over to get something, I get all greasy. This entire motor is gonna get rebuilt. Transmission will be rebuilt. But as of right now, I don't need any parts. But this is just in case I need parts. So I'm going to hose this down again. I'm going to use this whole bottle. So that's a whole bottle. So far we're into this for like 15 minutes max. Spraying, set, spray. Now it's empty. So it's been sitting for 12 minutes, plus or minus. And I'm just using a regular water hose with the jet. The rag is just for these painted surfaces to wipe down afterwards. So now the engine is super clean. This is what the Fiatsko looked like before. We got it like this. We broke it like this. We rebuilt it like this. We broke it like this. We rebuilt it like this. And then we changed everything. 1, 2, 3. So here's how much more room for activities you have once you get rid of all of the L-Jetronic and throw on the dual Webers. And you know what? Since you're here, let's crank it up and take a listen. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. GoPro, stop recording.